Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and I'll show you how to switch off the phone. In order to turn off the phone, you need to press the lock button here on the right side of your phone for a few seconds. And now, as can you see, you get here the power off icon. Just tap here and tap to OK to confirm that. And wait just a few seconds. So that's it, that's how it looks. Now, as can you see, the phone screen is dark. That means that your phone is turned off. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.